What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Verasity here, and as we can see, not that much has changed over the past few days. It looks as though we are still, ranging somewhat and coiling up. Potentially forming an inverse head and shoulders here, by the way, that we did talk about yesterday. If you look, we've got our shoulder here, the head looking something like this, another shoulder, and then as we said, if we do start to break out to the upside, you can see from the shoulder to the head, we've got a nice little breakout target coming back up, as we said, back up to around that 5.7 cent previous all-time high. And then beyond that, you can see going up back into that range that we do want to see ourselves getting back into. You can see here, if we drag this out, this is the range. Verasity right now, looking as though, it's holding pretty well, isn't it? Coiling up here, we come down, we see that extension of the low. We have the big renaissance to the upside, but we come back down, find support on that previous shoulder at around that 3.8 cent level. And then since then, looking as though the past few days we have just been chopping it sideways. But this inverse head and shoulders looking, fairly likely in our opinion to play out. Looking like a very clear pattern in our opinion. You can see the extension to the downside trying to get further down. Basically the bear's trying to push the price down, but you can see the very clear bullish divergence on the histogram and on the RSI. And we did get that renaissance back to the upside, that big bounce, that relief rally. Now we've come back down again, basically looking as though we are forming that right shoulder right now. And if we do see ourselves coming back up to this level here at around 4.45 cents and breaking out of this level, and we can clear this previous, little run to the upside here around 4.8 cents, we're definitely probably going to be heading back up in the direction of this range, at least over that 5 cent mark, back up to 5.3 cents and, retesting that previous support as resistance at the very least, because, it looks as though we are technically reversing here. All the RSI is obviously showing that we're getting back towards fair value. We were obviously horribly oversold, and it looks like the price action, it wants to move to the upside, doesn't it? Let's be honest. When we're assessing this chart here, you can see obviously things were going very smoothly indeed, where we were just cleanly making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, but then obviously lost our trend line. We come down to retest some fib supports at the 0.78 there, 3.6 cent fib support looking very strong, and we're still making higher lows, aren't we? So it may not be the cleanest uptrend, but we are still looking bullish in our opinion. Things still looking pretty damn good on the chart. Let me just pull this Fibonacci out a little bit more like this. And overall, it's easy to be bearish in times like this, but we do think that Bitcoin, in reality, the Bitcoin shorts are closing all the time, and we're probably going to start to see Bitcoin, trickling back to the upside pretty soon. And if that's the case, then obviously pretty much every single altcoin is going to benefit. Verasity being quite heavily correlated to Bitcoin right now in this time of uncertainty is probably going to benefit from this heavily as well. So we'd say short-term price predictions then, if we roll, we would expect this level at the 0.78 to hold at around 3.6 cents here. Strong level of support. If we get a big rollover, double bottom back test for Bitcoin in the market, we will see Verasity come back down probably to this 3 cent level before getting that big bounce to the upside. But as we said, if this inverse head and shoulders here does play out, we are heading back towards that at least that 5 cent level. 5.3 cents is the key target. That previous support needs to be retested as resistance of the bottom of this channel that we were trading in for a while. And as we've always said, Verasity, they've got so much bullish news coming over the course of the next month. In our opinion, things are probably going to start to do very well for Verasity once they start releasing all their bullish news. If they get that Binance listing, that full Binance listing that everyone's looking for, and obviously with continuation of the bull run, technical structure here looking very bullish. We could start to see Verasity getting up towards some of those price targets everyone's looking for, you know, that 50 cent to $1 area we're looking for, and maybe even beyond, depending on how much, you know, gaming cryptos do start to blow up, because Verasity is a gaming crypto. Gaming cryptos have been doing very well recently, and we do think Verasity, with all the bullish news they've got coming, they could start to do some very good work. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto support is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.